Itu riake hana maithori ni rigumeire aciari a Arutwo a thukuru wa muthingi wa St Gabriels uria uri rungu rwa kanitha wa Gatoreki diocese ya Kitui thutha wa Arutwo acio gucemania na mutino wa barabara utuku wa ira. Kurerikana baadhi ya thukuru wa ngutani iria irakuite Arutwo acio makiuma thabari ya kimathomo mwena wa Mombatha iraguthanire na rori na thutha ucio kugaragara na kugwa mutaro-ini wa Kanginga uria utwaraga mai rũĩ-inĩ rwa Tia. Aria marari bathi neo hindi ya mutino ucio ni andu 48 aria ni hamwe na Arutwo 40, arimu atatu uria uthingataga Arutwo a thukuru ucio hamwe na ndereba wa bathi iyo kuria Arutwo atandatu marakinyitio muciĩ-inĩ kwao. Kiema uria ni ndagĩtarĩ wa thibitari ya Mwingi level 4 ni araheana riboti ya uria marakuruhanirio mutino-ini uyu.
The 37, 5 were adults, and of the 5 adults, 4 were safely treated and discharged home. One of them, the matron, is currently in a female surgical ward. She sustained head injuries, minor head injuries, and she's currently recuperating in our ward.
Munini wa kamishna kaunti-ini yo Mohamed Diba hamwe na mubuge wa Mwingi ya gatagati Gideon Muliungi ni maheanite ndumiriri ya mutino ucio na gucakaya na family cia Arutwo acio kuria Mohamed augite ni mekwambika uthuthuria wa kiria kiracungiriire mutino ucio kuhanika.
All the adults, there were 5 adults in this bus, and of the 5 adults they are all okay.
Uchunguzi unaendelezwa ili tupate kufichua ama kuibua ni nini ilikuwa chanzo halisi.
Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni acakaite hamwe na family cia Arutwo aria marahurukire na kwendithiria aria marakuruhanirio mutino-ini ucio kuhona kwa naihenya. Nake minister wa githomo Amina Mohamed ni aheanire ndumiriri yake igie mutino ucio na gucakaya na aria marakuireirwo ni ciana ciao.
It's with profound sorrow and sadness that the Ministry of Education wishes to announce the untimely death of 10 pupils of St. Gabriel Academy after a school bus they were traveling in was involved in a tragic road accident last night in Mwingi town, Kitui district. I also wish a quick recovery for the pupils, teachers and matron who are being treated.
Oho, Amina niongereire ati ministry yake ni tumite maafitha anene a githomo mwena wa Mwingi niguo gutigirira Arutwo aria me thibitari ni mamukira urigitani mukinyaniru.
We dispatched her together with others to Mwingi level 4 hospital to assess the situation and work with various government agencies to ensure good health for the survivors.
Kurumirira mutino uyu mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na governor wa Kitui Charity Ngilu na atongoria angĩ macerire haria mutino ucio rahanikire na thutha ucio mathie kumiriria Arutwo aria mari thibitari-ini ya Mwingi level 4.
This is a Catholic run school, actually the best in the larger Mwingi, from what I gather, the best. And so it's like losing the cream of the kids ambao maisha yao ilikuwa almost guaranteed, wanapita vizuri, wanaenda kila mahali. So we are very sorry.
It is painful to the parents and to all of us.
Rifoti makiria igie mutino ucio ikaheanwo muthenya wa ruciu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gichua-ini wa Mwagi.